That minimum.
Okay.
Yeah. Trust me.
Not before Christmas, please.
Wouldn't you fancy a hospital visit before Christmas?
Problem is the camera on the airport might not recognize my face. Fucking hell.
Realise you're now on video, breaking the law.
What? Hurry up, Gypsy.
Again?
Hurry up, Gypsy. Not much time.
There should be enough.
Precision cuts.
I used to replace benders in sonar cable.
What?
Hydrophones in sonar cable. For oil exploration. Look at that. Gorgeous, isn't it?
No. It's just aluminium. See, Percy, that's how you're supposed to do on the HV cables. Screwdriver and family knife.
So,
Five, six, 7, 8 gigs. 9 gigs. 10 over the wrench.
No way. She's good.
Ascoltami lì, fammi ascoltami lì.
no.
I went all right up the vein then.
It's about the outer shield. Check the next lock, which is without a heat shrink. Yeah, it's number 7.
Two.
It was very bad yesterday,
And he's
and it is a lot better today.
even with the isolation
Yeah.
inside the lock.
But this one has problem with the insulation. This one, it's okay.
Oh, it's going down. It's going down. It's going down.
Again, the pressure trick.
I don't understand that.